Hi guys, welcome to this new unboxing video, and in this video we're going to be looking at the TECNO Camon 17 Pro. This device was among the devices in the Camon 17 series that were launched by TECNO a couple of days ago. It should be a week ago. And yeah, this device has a lot of interesting specs, including a 14 megapixel selfie camera. We are getting a 64 megapixels quad camera. We are 6.8 dot-in display with a 90Hz refresh rate, 5000 milliamperes battery with 25 watts flash charge. We're also getting a Helio G95 processor. Of course, this is one of the things we're going to be looking at during the entire period we're going to be staying with this device. So yes, all these specs are highlighted here, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this device and basically try to show you what you're getting in the box and a few other things that you will need to know about the TECNO Camon 17 Pro. So yes, let's go ahead and unbox this device. Yeah, and the first thing you see here is the TECNO Camon 17 Pro itself. Of course, with the specs highlighted here, the specs we have mentioned earlier on, which include a 48 megapixel selfie camera, a 64 megapixels main camera, a 6.8 inch display with a 90Hz refresh rate, also some 5000 milliamperes battery with 25 watts charge, and a Helio G95 processor. Yes, so this is the TECNO Camon 17 Pro, which is actually the first thing you see when you open that box. So we're gonna power it on and go ahead and check what else you get in this packaging. So powering the box, we have a warranty card here, 12+1 months. We're getting a transparent case right here. That's the noise the phone makes when you put it on. Yeah, transparent case right here. Then we have the charging brick right here. There you go. Then there's a pair of some pretty nice earphones here. Right here you have the SIM ejector pin. Then, which I believe should be the last accessory in this package, is the USB cable. Yep, that's basically what you have in this packaging, and there you go. So we're gonna look at this device right here. There's the main camera. Of course, the main one is the 64 megapixel selfie, the main 64 megapixel main camera right here at the top. We have some Camon branding right here at the bottom. Right here you have the charging port, some speakers, and the headphone jack right here. On the right side you have, this is the fingerprint scanner, which of course serves as the power button as well. And then we have the volume and the volume buttons right here as well. On the left side is where you have the SIM tray. The top is completely empty. Then the 6.8 display is right here. Let's first try set it up and see. Kenya, I'm gonna skip that. skip. We're gonna do this actually down. So we're gonna be skipping all those functions for now. Yep. There you go. See the 6.8 inch, display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. We're getting the selfie camera right here. 48 megapixel selfie camera. There you go. Yes, so we're gonna be spending time with this device in the coming weeks, and share our experiences, a few things about what we like about the TECNO Camon 17 Pro. So these are 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, of course, as we mentioned, the 14 megapixel selfie camera, then a 64 megapixel main camera. It's a Helio G95 processor, 5000 mAh battery, and it's an Android 11 device. Yeah. So basically that's it for this device, the TECNO Camon 17 Pro. We're going to be working on this, spending more time with this device, and share our full review in the coming days. Yeah, so that's it for this unboxing video. Remember to share and subscribe.